Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I have a special guest here, and another one. He doesn't have a YouTube channel, but he does. His name is Morse Code on YouTube, and we are gonna be just running around, and he's gonna be running around with us, and we're gonna be trying to attract monsters. And let's go. And we're gonna be having fun, and we're gonna be getting scared. Let's go. So. No, don't go, don't go!
Are they frozen, bro?
Are they frozen? How strange. IKEA! Everybody try IKEA.
We're gonna do parkour in there. Alright, let's go to
Close.
IKEA. I know IKEA is IKEA, let's go.
Oh, we're going to IKEA. We're here.
IKEA! IKEA is the question. Is it IKEA or is it IKEA?
It's IKEA. Alright, guys. So now, we will have to rejoin in this code, guys, so the monsters work. I'm just gonna keep recording, guys, because, like, why not? So, everybody go back. Everybody go back. You could die if you want to. I don't know about you guys, but it's so early in the morning for me.
It's not. Like, how early?
It's like 8.
Yes, that's how it is.
Where is that Gigaloris?
The monster is like over here, so I could die. Guys, it's gone. It's gone.
Alright, come back.
Wasn't it in the hallway?
Alright, do join random. Do join random and then press back in.
Oh,
Hey.
I was the first one in.
Alright, guys, we're back. You have to see if the monster.
Bro, they're frozen again.
How do you know?
Hello? Touch the J-Man Curly's picture.
I just did. Are they actually frozen?
Spam it. Spam it, it's so weird. Hello?
What?
Coming.
Where is he?
Guys!
Yeah.
I'm right here.
Oh, are the monsters still, like, not working?
Where y'all keep going? Oh my god.
Are the monsters?
Hey guys, watch this!
How'd he die? There's no.
That just happens randomly.
Do you think we don't have enough people in the code? I don't think. I think we all have different areas. Monsters.
Wait for me.
I literally have 3 monsters right there.
There's 2 for me.
I have 3. Guys, I guess we're gonna just be looking and stuff. I want you to just explore. Don't go to IKEA. Keep going this way.
Oh, I don't know it's this one. There's nothing in the garages.
No.
Nothing with like IKEAs. So which way are we going?
Let's
left
go
or right?
left.
Let's go left. This way.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you this right now. I don't want to be in front and I don't want to be in back.
I don't want to be in front.
I wanna be famous. I wanna be.
Guys, there's a mini
I
IKEA. There's a
wanna
mini
be
IKEA.
famous. Guys, I think we also might have to die if we can't find the way back.
I think I know where our way back.
What's in there? Guys, you guys wanna go into the top floor?
Let's go. Oh, me. What was that?
Wait, what? Did he move? Oh, purple's right there. Come on, come on.
Where am I black? Oh, never mind.
Guys, one of the garages was the hallway. Guys, we just passed away. We're in a circle. Guys, we just went in a circle. This way.
Yeah, we just went in a circle. Did see a mini IKEA. Now, let's keep on going forward. We're not going in there because there's a coming soon door, and if you go close to it, an alarm goes off.
Remember when? Well, I found one of the monsters.
We found 3.
I found 4.
I already found all 5.
There's 6, I thought.
Yeah, there's 6. One's a bear.
Well, I haven't found.
One's a dog. One's a cat.
I found literally
You guys want to see something?
5 of them. 5 of them. 4 of them.
Wait, go down the green side. Go down the green
Go down the
side.
green slide. Okay.
No, that's not what I want.
Look at me through the.
Hey!
No.
Cha 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 cha! I just found both. Ah! I'm kidding. I didn't find one. I wish I did. Guys, who dares me to juke it?
They're awake.
King of juke. Alright, well, I died. Yeah, but anyways, guys, go subscribe to Morse Code on YouTube. He is awesome. I believe he's at 470 subs, but I know he's at 400. It's really fun making these videos with these YouTubers because it just gets so fun. It gets really creative. So I would love to keep making videos like this. So back to the video anyways. I don't know where everybody is. And I'm just stuck. I'm stuck. My arms are just really long and... Just kidding, my arms are not long at all. Ugh. Guys. Hey! Where's Purple?
I don't know where he
I
is.
think I just heard him die, so... Oh, hey! Alright, there's more to be explored.
Do we need to rejoin?
Everybody this way!
Again? Can we rejoin again?
Yeah. Cause...
No, I don't want to.
Alright, guys. I think we might have to wait like a minute. Who wants to join my code? The code's BBJ. The code's BBJ. BBJ. 2 B's, 1 J.
BBJ? Oh.
We're in. Yo, guys.
4 of them are here.
Are they working?
We're gonna have a problem getting past. There's 4 of them here.
More people are coming.
Let's go in this room. Let's go in this room.
This way.
There's a room down here.
See, guys, so I got
Hey,
got more people to come in because I feel like that might help with the zippers
I see you. Hi.
not crashing.
I have those.
Hey guys, follow me. Hey guys, follow me. Follow me. It's good.
All right,
me?
everybody.
Where?
This way.
That
guys.
way.
Okay.
I've been in here.
I don't know.
No.
Where I'm going. Oh, guys, don't go in here.
Why?
Don't go in here, guys. I hate this place.
Why? Why can't we go in there?
That's where the real scary monsters are.
What do you?
All right, then everybody go.
What
in
do you
there.
mean the real
Let's all
scary
go in there.
monsters?
Guys, last one to say not it has to
have
go
an
in
Not
there
it.
first. 3,
Not
2,
it.
1, not it.
Not it.
Not it.
It was me, bro.
I'll go in there with him.
The monster is coming.
I'm coming with you. I'm with
You're
you.
literally good. No, I'm not good. I think I'm good. Yeah, there's nothing wrong here. Why? Oh my God, we're like, don't go in here, don't go in here. Bro, everything's good.
Guys, you don't realize.
Guys, what's this place?
Monster is coming.
No!
Oh,
No! Go!
let's
Go!
go
Go!
to
Go!
the G-Maker.
No! That's so dark.
Nothing's bad. Nothing happened
Don't
yet.
go farther.
It's good. We can still go down.
Don't go farther.
Why?
I just heard something.
Now you're joking. Go back.
No.
Everybody, get out.
No, I just heard something.
I know that's why we get out.
Everybody, get out! I just heard a monster. I heard.
Everybody, this way. This way.
Hey.
Run through the line. Go to the.
Little Nub, what's good, bro?
Getting my dress.
Everybody up here. Up here.
Let's go to
Oh,
sewer.
this way, city. I want to go to basketball. I'm gonna dunk on black.
No, you're not. You're not gonna dunk on me.
Yes, I will.
Checker, mouse trees.
Ah!
See this?
Where's the
Look at this. Hey,
basketball?
can you guys do this? Can you guys do this?
I can hit you.
I can run across it really fast with one arm.
Guys, I can move. I can hit you.
Guys, I can run really fast with one arm.
Guys, I'm gonna go down to the sewers.
Everybody go down sewers. By the way, guys, I know I've already shouted. I know I've already shouted out Morse code twice, but like, shout out to him again. Yo, guys.
It's Minnie.
Lil Nub, what's good? Everybody, straight.
No, we're not going to sewers.
Why are we going to sewers?
We're not going to sewers. First one to say not it has to go
Not
down
it.
first.
Wait, what?
Not it.
You're not catching me down there.
Purple. Who said it first?
Not me.
Not me. It was this purple, I'm pretty
No, it wasn't. It wasn't Morse.
You say
It
no?
wasn't Morse.
Go down. We'll go down. Hey, guys, we'll go down.
Anybody
We'll go
else
down.
hear that? Yeah, let's just go down. Let's just go
I'll
down.
take first. I'll take first. I'll take
Where's
last.
Morse?
Wait, no, I'll take middle.
I'm right here.
You know where you're going?
No, he doesn't know it.
Hey, where are you
Just go
from?
back. I don't know where I'm going. How about we just all split up?
No. Wait, why did half the people leave?
The monster.
Half the people left.
Wait,
Go back.
where'd they go? Run! I just heard a monster!
Dumb, bro. Lil Cupid, what you doing?
Where did they go? Did they disconnect?
No, they're up
us?
there again.
How do you
Cause I
know?
just saw him. I saw Morse. Hey Morse, I saw you. Oh hi.
Stop being scared, cat!
Hero found dead in O-Block.
Guys, stop being scared, cat!
Oh my god.
Guys, come on, let's go to see. Let's go to sewers like a real man would go to. Instead
Well, you have a point. Most men work in sewer jobs. Just saying. I'm kidding.
I just lost my.
A lot of them do. I know people that do. It's the strongest.
Yeah, guys, let's split up.
We're not splitting up.
I'm with the most.
We're literally not splitting up.
We're staying together. Then you're a scaredy cat monkey.
No, it's because I just don't know my way back and around. It's not this way, it's that way, I think. Or it's straight. Everybody, it's straight.
Just screw it. I'm gonna run for my life. I'm gonna screw you guys.
Everybody just keep...
Oh my god.
Guys, go this way.
Oh, there's a wall here. There's a wall there.
Go. Try going this way.
Then maybe let's...
Purple, Morse, where are you going?
Is it there? Is there?
Guys, go straight, I think.
Wait, guys.
What the hell? What?
Little Cupid, I'm pretty sure it's the way that we have to go. For sure.
No.
No, stop being scared.
Nope.
Ah!
I saw some red eyes. I'm going. Nope. I saw red eyes
I
too.
just heard a mouse. Everybody, stop being scaredy cat.
Everybody, go up here. Go up here. Up here.
No, this way. Why were you guys being scaredy cat?
Oh my god.
That's just... Exit! There's an exit! Oh, I thought that was an exit.
Wait, there's an exit in this?
Because I found the exit. Follow me.
He found the exit.
Did we just teleport?
I'm pretty sure there's a way to get out. Guys, let's... Wait, why is there a map that's...
Today we beat this game.
I'm like hearing monsters. I'm hearing like a monster. I'm hearing like
There's a
that.
monster jump on the light.
Man,
Actually, that's a good idea.
I was hearing the one that went doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, and I was hearing black doo-doo.
That's racist.
Hey, it's the red monster. Should I jump into it?
No.
Hey, guys, let's go to the washroom.
The washroom?
Go to the washroom. Let's go to the washroom.
Yeah, the washroom. Let's go to the washroom.
Oh, the bathrooms? Toilets?
Guys, let's go to the bathroom. Come on, this is
Am I the only one that hears screaming right now?
I'm going to take a doo-doo.
Guys, I just found an exit, I think. In there.
I just finished taking a doo-doo.
Guys, the bathrooms are the same.
Yeah.
You know you can just do this.
You know you can just go.
Guys, you guys are funny. You guys are funny. You guys don't even
need
need to
privacy.
use that. There's just... Wait, everybody, women's room.
Guys, let's go to the cafeteria.
Fine. Cafeteria.
Come in here.
Because I heard there's an exit around here.
This way.
Oh my god.
I got these two. I called dibs on these two. Call dibs on these. Guys, come on. Don't
Because we're going
scaredy
up.
cat.
We're going up. You have to stay down.
There's a...
Come here, Orange.
Anybody want that? Anybody want this to defend themselves?
Oh my god, Bucks.
Yeah. This. Right there.
Hey, this. Oh.
Guys, come on. Let's go.
Everybody, we're going down. And back up. Back up. Yo. That kid died.
Oh my god. I smell something. Not food.
No, we're back where we began.
Let's go down here. Yo.
I just want to play for the fishy army. We're
Guys.
organized.
No, we already knew the way back.
We found the way back to the store.
All you have to do is go down there.
We found the way back to the store.
We're exploring.
I need to explore here.
My name's Dad. I love watching my kitty cat. Hey there, kids. My name's
Guys,
Dad. I love
guys.
watching my kitty cat.
Guys, I'm gonna run for my life. Follow
Everybody.
me. Hey guys, go back to the start.
Hey there, kids.
Follow
My
me
name's
if
Dad.
you want to go back to the start. The start
Guys,
is back.
we found a no signal.
Block. I dare you to go in there. I dare you to go in there.
Heck nah! You bugging! Nah!
Let me grab you. Can I grab you?
Oh my gosh.
Let
Help
me
me.
get back to the store.
Help.
Bro,
Help me. There's a monster right here.
Who?
right there? Follow me.
Where are they?
Over here.
Where are you guys?
Where are they?
Oh, they're down here.
Go to the exit side.
Dude!
Oh.
Close it. Close it.
Guys, close it, close it.
Close it. I'm gonna run.
Guys, we're so Sigma.
Wait, guys.
Alright, well guys,
Follow me.
that's basically it for today's video. Almost. We still gotta get Morse in here. Morse, come here. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Morse Code again on YouTube. He's almost at 500, you said? You're at 4.
Yeah.
What is your sub count again?
450.
450.
I think
Subscribe to him and me. Bye.